Hi there. Before our topic on today, we are gonna start from a question. Do you like gambling? Maybe you would say, why not? I like it, but only for entertainment. Yes, correct, because no one likes gambling during their own business. As is well known, prevention is always greater than treatment. So, is that a way to minimize business risks, especially for importing business from China? Someone says sourcing agent could help. Is that true? So guys, let's figure it out. Point 1. A good sourcing agent company could help you not only minimize business risks, but also help create more value than you can imagine, such as upfront, save time, save money, avoid scam, avoid fraud, control quality, monitor quality, manage supply chain, etc. Normally, importers source products from Alibaba Global Sourcing Made in China trade fair. To take Alibaba as the example, lots of suppliers claim and pretend to be factories online, who are actually middlemen instead of a so-called factory. When you buy products from Alibaba or trade fair, how you can be sure to get the best cost-effective pricing and a stable quality? Even though you are dealing with a real factory, imagine even though parts of Chinese factories have QC personnel, yet no one would think it reasonable for an athlete being a referee at the same time. Besides the different culture, so the biggest of all is that the supplier may deliver poor quality products. Even the first sample you received was great. There's no returning back the products, no recourse for lost money, and you would be stuck with bad products and expensive shipping, and your money is gone. So, how do you verify a supplier before placing an order? With the B2B directories like Global Sources, Alibaba, and others, one would think this process will only take a few clicks. Unfortunately, the problem is not solved yet. These directories only facilitated the first step of a sourcing process, which is identifying potential suppliers, but not really screening or auditing them. So how do you do quality control? How do you monitor a whole procedure of quality, since raw materials to finished products? How do you do to check your cargo if on time delivery after you placed your order? Raw material quality control is normally ignored by importers, which is pretty time-bound. Because once the products would have been finalized, the supplier could be impossibly willing to actively fix them, even though problem had been found before the shipment, because otherwise supplier may lost, because it equals same quantity product to be manufactured with double or more cost. The solution could be solved by a good sourcing agent company who could help you avoid about troubles with full services on your behalf. Besides, a good sourcing agent company could are able to keep you updated about the supplier's performance in terms of both time and quality at every stage of the procurement process. To normally process full inspection instead of just the random inspection, so you are prepared for everything at once. Thus, avoiding scam or poor quality would help you maximally reduce business risks, and saving time is equals to creating more value. Point 2. A good sourcing agent company could help you do products variety, selection, customization, consolidation, OEM, ODM, and prototyping, etc. When you buy a product through a factory or a distributor, you are limited to their production line or inventory selection that they have on hand. For example, if you wanted to sell LED lights, distributor would offer you a few variety of finished LED lights for you to choose from. Alternatively, if you were to approach a sourcing agent with the same need, the sourcing agent would find the best way to source same or similar LED lights with your specification. This may include getting individual parts or components from multiple factories. As for customization, one of the biggest drawbacks to using a factory or distributor is a lack of customizability. While some factory or distributor may carry custom finished products produced by other companies, they can make any changes to these products. For example, a factory or distributor may be licensed to sell customer branded LED light on behalf of another company, but cannot change in any way. When you work with a sourcing agent, you can change any aspect of your product to suit your needs. In addition, you have the final approval on quality, a judgment, and the other specification. On the other hand, a sourcing agent could assist you with prototyping, quality control, and price negotiation with the factories, etc. Point 3. A good sourcing agent company could help you with expensive sourcing experiences. Will always be transparent. Like any specialist you turn to, they have the knowledge and experience to make the process as smooth as possible. Considering international sourcing is more complicated than most people think, especially when multiple goods, supplier, and shipment are involved. Agents who have been in the business for years will be able to find the right products and suppliers, predict realistic delivery time frame, and handle any issues that crop up. Transparency is a pretty important point for importers because problem may be part of a sourcing agent company may be not willing to share factory's details like factory name, address, contacts. However, such a situation doesn't exist at a good sourcing agent team, because a good sourcing agent team principle is that a long-term partnership do need transparency and honesty without any kickback, since quality always comes first. Point 4. A good sourcing agent company could help you with order tracking and checking, including both factory and inspection and product inspection. If you want to make sure that you get the best product and services, pick a sourcing agent specialist who can run background and reputation checks on suppliers as well as check their performance. Random quality checks and factory visits during the production stage can help keep ensure that the vendors stay on track too. Regular communication and tracking updates during the packaging and shipping stages are also essential. So pick an agent who are willing to do all this on your behalf. Point 5. A good sourcing agent company could help you make market research. For example, they could help you visit various industrial exhibitions in China or UK on the spot and on your behalf, who could help you get new product ideas, be the first to source innovative products, identify which ones are the real factory, screen and audit them afterwards, and speed up your sourcing procedures. But some supplier launches new products at the trade show, and these are not posted online until the shows are over. So within a sourcing agent's help, you could get a first mover advantage by discovering this product, which could much help enhance your local competitiveness. Point 6. So which is the best option for your business? Factory, trading company, distributor, or sourcing agent, etc. There's no one-size-fits-all approach for every business. The best choice depends on which of the above elements are most important for your particular projects. And following business is an approximate business ranges that a good sourcing agent company could serve and help grow up. Importing business, e-commerce business like Amazon sellers, project business, agency business, wholesaler or distributor business, direct internet business, direct catalog business, direct sales team business, VAR value-added reseller business, white label business, consignment business, dealer business, retail business, startup business, etc. A good China sourcing agent company named LZ Light is recommended and could help you about points and more than about, which have been funded since 2010 with one-stop full service as following context. Finally, every dreamer is a doer, and every doer is not a dreamer. You have deadly the combination of being a dreamer and doer. Good luck to you and to your business as you move on to the next stage in your life without a doubt. Thank you. God bless you.